Diabetes has seen skyrocketing numbers over the past decade. High fructose corn syrup pervades most processed foods. Excessive consumption of these foods and simple carbohydrates has made obesity an epidemic. These days, being overweight is the norm. With the COVID pandemic and people being told to stay home more, we lead more sedentary lifestyles than ever before. Is it any wonder that millions of people are succumbing to diabetes? There is a very thin silver lining to this dark gray cloud, though. Diabetes can be deadly. It can cause blindness, nerve damage, kidney failure, amputations, and so on. However, this disease can be managed very effectively if you know what to do. Unlike cancer, which needs aggressive treatment, diabetes is a lot less combative. If you take the necessary precautions, you can turn diabetes into a toothless tiger. It'll lurk around all right, but it can't bite you. When it comes to managing diabetes, there's just too much information out there, and it overwhelms most diabetes sufferers. Pick up a diabetes book from the library, and it'll bore you to death before diabetes even gets you. Speak to your doctor, and he or she can only tell you so much. And in many cases, they try to put you on medication. So how do you manage this problem holistically? Over the past couple of years, one book on diabetes has become an online bestseller with thousands of copies sold. It's called Diabetes Freedom and has a protocol that will show you how to get out of the pre-diabetes stage. And if you have diabetes, what you need to do to bring it under your total control. Let's see why Diabetes Freedom is so effective. The plan laid out in Diabetes Freedom is very simple to follow. There are 3 phases to this plan. In phase 1, you'll focus on eliminating most of the unhealthy fat in your pancreas. This will ensure that your pancreas works optimally. In phase 2, you'll focus on getting more brown fat in your body. In phase 3, you'll discover the crucial info you need to know about making food choices, timing your meals, and more. The book is easy to understand, and the language used is simple. The author has dispensed with medical terminology in favor of clarity. This book is perfect for the layman. You'll easily understand the information and know how to apply it. In order to defeat diabetes, you need clear, concise information that you can execute effectively. Diabetes Freedom gives you that. The methods in the book are holistic. In other words, it's all natural. It doesn't matter whether you're currently on diabetes medication or not. You can still use the information here to help you manage your diabetes. In fact, once you get your diabetes under control, you may speak to your doctor about cutting down on your medication and monitor your progress. The product comes with a video library. If you prefer consuming content through videos, you can watch the videos. There are 3 bonuses that accompany the product. Young Forever Program, 33 Power Foods for Diabetics and Fat Burning Blueprint. All 3 will help you even further. If you're still on the fence and thinking twice about making the purchase, here's something that will calm your nerves. Diabetes Freedom is covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. It's a risk-free investment. Go ahead and get it. You're covered. This is an online download. You can access it immediately upon payment and start applying the information to manage your diabetes right now. This product is great for helping you to manage diabetes, but it's not a miracle cure. People with type 1 diabetes will benefit from it, but still need insulin shots. Those with type 2 diabetes will benefit more and truly get the disease under control, but don't expect a miracle cure. If your diabetes is severe, you will need medication to address it, and you must speak to your doctor. You can apply the information in Diabetes Freedom together with your medication to help manage the problem better. Overall, do you want to rely on medication to manage your diabetes, or would you prefer a more healthy and holistic way with no side effects? If you prefer the latter, then you should get Diabetes Freedom. Let's face the facts, if you have diabetes, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. It's an enemy at the gates of your health, always pacing back and forth, waiting when you'll slip up so that it can claim your health or your leg. While constant medication can help to keep the gates locked, these medications also cause the gates to rust. The side effects of diabetes medications can and will take a toll on your health. However, if you follow the advice in Diabetes Freedom, you'll not only be strengthening your body, but it'll be akin to building a moat, strengthening your gates, and building an invisible fortress around your body. Diabetes will find it much more difficult to attack you, and its armies will dwindle until they're almost non-existent. You must take a proactive and natural approach towards managing your diabetes. So use the techniques and methods in diabetes freedom to protect yourself. It's an investment in your health that will pay dividends many times over in future. Click my link below to see their website, where you'll be able to purchase a copy of Diabetes Freedom. I'm Ophelia, and I hope you found this review helpful.